When you need Ohio business brokers to obtain the best value for your business, Brandon Owens and his team at First Choice Business Brokers of Cincinnati are ready. They have sold more than $8 billion in businesses, spanning every industry imaginable, from the small Main Street businesses to large manufacturing and heavy equipment businesses. Buyers and sellers have access to a national network, allowing you to find your perfect client. Whether you're ready to make an investment on a new business or cash in years of hard work on your current business, or just learn what your business is worth, Brandon and his team take care of everything. While other Ohio business brokers might claim to know the area, they don't have the local experience. Brandon is an Ohio native from the tri-state area, even returning to Ohio after 6 years with the Navy. As a 24-year business operations veteran, he knows exactly what goes into running a business and keeping it successful. When you need Ohio business brokers, you know exactly who to call. Contact Brandon at First Choice Business Brokers of Cincinnati at 513-392-6750 or email at brandon@fcbb.com.